Now that you have your DTG3 ROV, let's go over everything you need to know to get started. Your ROV is packaged into a wheeled Pelican case. To open the case, release the 5 latches holding down the lid. Your DTG3 and all of its accessories fit perfectly within one portable case. There are custom molded sections for the ROV, tether, controller, and accessories. Take the DTG3 and the tether out of the case and set them near your deployment spot. The tether is already connected to the ROV. If this is the first time you are unpacking your ROV, you will need to release the shipping screws located on the back of the unit. Using the flathead screwdriver from the lid, simply back the screw out until it comes to a stop. Do not try to forcefully remove the screw. This could compromise the unit's seal. If your ROV has 2 screws, make sure to back out both. Once released, the internal chassis will swing into its neutral position. If transporting the ROV by air or courier, you should consider putting the screw back in place. Otherwise, you will not need to set the screw again. Now we will connect the controller to the tether. Attached to the reel, there is a coiled-up cord that connects to the handheld controller. Simply align the pins to the holes and hand-tighten the 2 ends until they are firm. Push the power button to start up the DTG3. Next, we can do our pre-dive checks. Inspect the thruster by slowly pushing forward on the left joystick. Ensure they move freely. Move the camera up and down using the right joystick located on the back of the controller. Test the internal LED lighting by pressing the single light button on the control pad. If your ROV has extra lighting, be sure to test them as well. Now you are ready to deploy. Lower your DTG3 into the water by the tether. The tether has a 90 kilo or 200-pound brake string, so don't be afraid to lower the unit by this method. The reel has 4 stabilizer legs. Be sure to pull all 4 out to prevent it from tipping during your operation. For instructions on operations, controls, and other tips, be sure to subscribe and check out other Deep Trekker feature and guide videos.